Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future videos. Today, we have a very special topic that many of you have been asking for: how to become a YouTuber. Whether you're passionate about creating content or looking to grow your online presence, this video will provide you with all the essential steps to start your journey as a successful YouTuber. So without further ado, let us dive in. The first step in becoming a YouTuber is finding your passion. What makes you excited and motivated? Is it cooking, gaming, fashion, travel, or maybe technology? Identifying your niche will help you create content that resonates with your audience. Remember, authenticity is key, and viewers are more likely to subscribe if they can connect with your genuine passion. Once you've found your passion, it's time to plan your content. Brainstorm ideas, create a content calendar, and think about the value you can offer to your viewers. Consistency is vital, so decide on a posting schedule that you can maintain. Remember, quality over quantity, so focus on producing engaging and well-edited videos. Next up, let us talk about setting up your YouTube channel. Choose a catchy channel name that reflects your content and is easy to remember. Create an eye-catching channel banner and logo to give your channel a professional look. Write an appealing channel description that tells viewers what your channel is all about. You don't need expensive gear to start, but having the right equipment can make a difference in the quality of your videos. A good camera, microphone, and lighting setup are essential. You can start with budget-friendly options and upgrade as your channel grows. Also, explore video editing software to add a professional touch to your content. Now that you have your equipment ready, let us talk about filming and editing tips. Film in a well-lit and quiet space. Be confident and genuine in front of the camera. When editing, keep it engaging by adding jump cuts, graphics, and background music. Remember, the first 10 seconds of your video are crucial, so hook your viewers from the start. To grow your channel, you need to understand search engine optimization (SEO) on YouTube. Use relevant keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags. Engage with your audience through comments and build a community around your content. Collaborate with other YouTubers to reach new audiences and increase your channel's visibility. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time, effort, and patience. Consistency is key to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Stay true to your passion, keep improving your content, and the growth will come. Utilize social media platforms to promote your videos and engage with your audience. Share your content on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Join relevant online communities and forums to connect with like-minded creators and viewers. The more you put yourself out there, the more chances you have of gaining subscribers. Congratulations! You now have a solid understanding of how to become a YouTuber. Remember, success on YouTube is about passion, consistency, and providing value to your audience. So, get out there, start creating, and have fun on your journey to becoming a successful YouTuber. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep creating and keep inspiring. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in our future videos, leave them in the comments below. And as always, stay awesome. See you next time. Goodbye.